Hi, today I'm going to show you how to download the IDE for C Sharp. We're going to be using Visual Studio. So first go into Google and then type in Visual Studio. Then open the Visual Studio IDE Visual Studio site. Next, you want to download the Community Edition of Visual Studio. After you're finished downloading the Visual Studio, go to the Visual Studio installer. And we want to modify Visual Studio 2022. And what we're going to do is we're going to add the .NET desktop development. So you want that checked, and you want to modify it, and then close the installer. Then once you're finished installing, you want to open the Visual Studio. Next, go to create a project. You want to select C# for languages and console for project types. Now there are two types of console app. One's for .NET Framework and the one's for .NET. You want to select the console app without the .NET Framework. Click Next. And for the project name, I'm just going to name it C# tutorial. You can name it anything you like. I'm just going to click Next. And then for the framework, you want to select .NET 6 and then create. Now this will create a C# project. And then after your project is created, I'm just going to end it here, and thank you for watching.